Hello, and welcome back, guys. So in this particular problem, we need to find the highest index of the maximum number. Okay, first of all, we need to find what's the maximum number and in how many places it is there or it's present in the list. Okay, to do that, what we can do is we can find the maximum number. That's not a big deal, right? We could simply use the max function and then get the maximum number from there. Then we can get the index, but that would only give the first instance of that index, right? So if we were to do it in this particular case, it would be 0, 1, 2, right? So it would just give out 2, but the result should be 4. It should be, it's not only the first instance, but the highest among it. That's what we want. So perhaps we will need to do something else. Uh, maximum and then maximum number and then index. Maybe maximum has a key and then we can find maybe that, huh? I think maximum takes in a key, something like this, right? So we could have done something like that if it were a different thing. Index, I don't think that's possible, right? Like if this was possible, it would have been great. Let's see. Yeah, it does not work, right? Index is not defined. I guess max takes in the highest as well, but we will need to do something else. Could use a list operator. All right, so this will give us the maximum value in it, and then we could just do a filter among it. So for I in numbers, all right, and we will need the index as well. I'm pretty sure there is a very good way to do it. Since I have not touched Python for a while now, I don't remember how it can be done quickly. So this is there. This should be k comma v, right? So that is one thing. Next is let's just check if v equals max. Right. Or maybe we can simply do enumerate and then what does enumerate give out anyway? Rate function in Python. What does it give out? It gives out a counter, that's for sure, but can we simply do enumerate a iterable and then start, right? And it returns a iterator with a index. Okay, so it gives out a iterator. Okay, so it'll just be a object, huh? Can we make it into a list though? Can we do that? Return enumerate and numbers, that will be object, I'm pretty sure. Let's just run it. We know it will fail. Yeah, it will be an enumeration object and we make it into a list. Can we do that? Okay, that's great. Now what we need is why is it 555? Okay, now what we need is we know the first value is there. So what we can do is we have a tuple kind of scenario, right? Uh, in test case 2, it's 4 is the number. Over here, it's 4. The index should be 0, right? So it would be, I'm not sure. I'm not sure how this can be done. Now we know the list, right? So we can't even check for the maximum number only because the maximum number will be 5, but we need to find the highest index as well. Right. So to do that, we will need to separate out the maximum number and its index, and then get the maximum from there, create a new list. That is one way to do it. Okay, that's what I was planning to do, right? So enumerate, let's say for k comma v in enumerate numbers, if k equals max of numbers, so we simply add that to the list, or not even required, return, and then we simply do this. We need the key and we check the condition if v equals max, and we get the list of it. From here we need the max, right? That's all we need to do to solve this particular problem, but I was looking for another kind of elegant solution. Let's see if there are any good solution. Okay, maximum len, and then it's just doing length minus 1, blah blah blah, index of maximum. Okay, yeah, this guy is doing something similar to what I have done. Okay, len of numbers minus 1 minus number reversal. Okay, could have used short, I guess, doing something similar. Right. But yeah, I'm just going to go with this particular solution. Yeah, so that's how we solve this particular problem. If you have any questions, do comment down below. Thank you for your time. So take care. Bye bye.